Hello everyone, welcome to Beauty in the Garden. I am T. If you're new to the channel, welcome. And if you're returning, welcome back. Today I am deciding to go ahead and harvest my potatoes. Some of the potatoes have brown, some of them haven't. And I'm not expecting to have a great harvest, but we're going to go ahead and harvest them anyways. Now, if you're interested in this particular raised bed, this bed is by Ollie's Raised Bed. And it's a very good bed. I have had this bed now going on, I think, 4 years. And it has held up absolutely amazing. And none of the screws has even rusted, like some raised beds do. Now, I did purchase some and they do rust, so be careful out there when purchasing these galvanized raised beds, even though they say they're galvanized. Alright, you can see that the dark green there, they're not quite ready, but the ones on the end is quite ready, and they're not going to pretty much give me anything else. And you guys, I am sitting on my handy dandy, you guys, my garden stool from Vivar. I just love this thing. So if you do not have one, I would drop that down below if you guys are interested. Now you see that dark green. I know you guys, they're not ready. You do want them to be completely brown, or like mostly 90% brown. Alright, so I'm hoping that I was going to fill this bowl, but as we go along in the video, you guys will see. So alright, we're going to go ahead and harvest. We have a great deal of small potatoes. Now this right here is like a small yellow skin potato, and as well I like to just go ahead and ball them and eat them with a pepper sauce. I like to make like a chili pepper sauce, and I just steam them and pour my hot sauce over top of them and just eat them just like that, skin on and all. Just, you know, wash them really good. I know that eventually I am going to do something a little bit differently. I had not really focused too much, like I said, on this garden this year. I have been consumed in thought, so I have a lot going on, and I didn't do all that great on the garden this year. I did pretty good in some places, but all in all, I didn't focus as much energy I normally do in my garden. And these potatoes is an example of just that. All in all, we're going to get a pretty decent harvest today. And as well, I think next year I'm just going to go to Tractor Supply and buy a nice size bag. I think it comes in 3 or 5 pound bag of potatoes, or I'll probably just go ahead and order some offline, some actual seed potato. Now these potatoes were my potatoes from last season, and I decided to pop them in this bed. I did show you guys how I planted them up, but I would recommend do not do what I did. You can go ahead and plant it how I did, but make sure that you do consistently water them when they're in their best growth stage, and that is making sure that they stay green as long as they can, put on as much growth as they can, so then once they start to die back, they put all that energy into those tubers, and you get bigger potatoes. In the past, I normally do like the purple majesties. Those are really, really good. I think that's what I'm going to do next year as well. I'm going to plant me some purple majesties. I don't know if I want to do it in this bed this next year, but I'm thinking I'm going to try to map out my thoughts of how I want to plan out my upcoming season garden. So I'm not going to plant anything in this garden bed as of now. After I go ahead and harvest everything, I am going to let it rest for about a month or so. And then I'm going to go ahead and pop in here, you guys, my garlic. I think this would be a nice bed for garlic. Since we're coming into our fall season, garlic will be good in here, chives will be good in here, leeks will be good in here. That's what I plan on planting in here though, is garlic. as you guys can see, I do not have that many potatoes. Very few came off of these couple of plants, and I'm seeing some nodding. And like if I have some kind of nematode or something like that, I need to pay attention to the garden a little bit more to see what's going on in the garden. Now I did take care of it when I did have the problem with the Japanese beetle, the grubs. Oh yeah, you guys, that was a lizard egg. Put it back. My lizards are my friends. They help with keeping down some of the bugs in our garden. All right, you guys, just gonna clean it up and smooth it out. That is it. And here is what we have. We had a little haul here of potatoes. Not too bad. Not too bad. Guys, this was a pretty quick tutorial on the potatoes. You get what you put out. This year I really didn't focus too much energy on my garden like I normally do, and you know, I didn't come out here and water these tubers like I should when they were in their prime. And this is what will happen. They'll get a little small, but that's okay. They're still nice and sweet and tender potatoes, and you still could be able to cook them and use them. Do not take this video as a discouraging video, because at the end of the day, we do have a harvest. We do have a nice meal right here. And matter of fact, if you cook a certain way, this is probably 3 or 4 meals. You can do a handful of potatoes just like this and mince them up and like put them in a chunky chili or soup or something like that. So this is actually could be 3 or 4 meals. All depends on what you're cooking with it. So this is right here what we ended up with this year out of this bed. I did plant 12 potatoes in here, 3 red and six red and 6 yellow in this bed. And but all in all, I'm really happy with, I know you guys, I came out here probably twice this year and watered. I really did not do my part, and I got exactly what I put out, and I'm okay with this. So you guys get a harvest like this, guess what? We did it though. We went out in our gardens and we did plant. We did take the initiative to do so. So I hope you guys enjoyed my harvest, even though it wasn't that grand of a harvest. But I hope you guys enjoyed my harvest. Please don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe to my channel. Hit that notification so you can be notified when I do upload a video. Now you do have to go into your system now and upload differently when you want to make sure that you are subscribed. I've seen people get unsubscribed. I see people not get their notification. YouTube change sometimes their programs, and sometimes I guess if you aren't inactive, I don't know what the deal is, but I've had people telling me that that has happened. But all in all, remember you guys, there's beauty in everyone's garden. And bye-bye for now. Bye-bye, you guys. Happy gardening. Bye, my beauts. Bye-bye. See you guys in the next one.